This video shows the test procedure for impact test. Toughness is the property of a material to easiest impact. Due to moving loads, the aggregates are subjected to pounding action or impact, and there is possibility of stones breaking into smaller pieces. Therefore, a test designed to evaluate the toughness of stones, i.e., the resistance of the stones to fracture under repeated impacts, may be called impact test on aggregates. Materials required are sieve of varying sizes of 12.5 mm, 10 mm, and 2.36 mm sieve size. We also need the cylindrical pan and the tamping rod. And finally, it is tested in impact testing machine. The test procedure are: firstly, the aggregate sample is sieved thoroughly through above given sieve size. The sample passing through 12.5 mm and retaining on 10 mm is taken for testing. Next, the empty cylindrical pan is measured. Note it as W1. The aggregates are filled up to about 1/3 full in the cylindrical measure and tamped 25 times with rounded end of the tamping rod. The rest of the cylindrical measure is filled by 2 layers, and each layer being tamped 25 times. The overflow of aggregates in cylindrically measure is cut off by tamping rod using, it has a straight edge. Then the entire aggregate sample in a measuring cylinder is weighed using weighing machine. The aggregates from the cylindrical measure are carefully fixed in position on the base plate of machine. Then it is tamped 25 times. The hammer is raised until its lower face is 38 centimeters above the upper surface of aggregates in the cup and allowed to fall freely on the aggregates. The test sample is subjected to a total of 15 such blows, each being delivered at an interval of not less than 1 second. After that, the cup is taken out and is sieved through 2.36 mm sieve size. The fraction sample passing through the sieve size 2.36 mm is measured accurately and noted the Lastly, to calculate the aggregate impact value, the following given formula is used. The maximum allowable aggregate impact value for water-bound macadam, sub-base course 50%, whereas cement concrete used as base course is 45%. and water-bound macadam base course with bitumen face should have aggregate impact value 40%. Bituminous macadam base course should have aggregate impact value of 35%. All the surface courses should possess an aggregate impact value below 30%. Thank you for watching.